Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free BNB to your Trustwallet account without any investment. And when I mean no investment, I mean there's not going to be any investment from your own side. And guys, if you are watching this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be updated on that. So guys, the name of the site which I'm going to be showing you today is called Find Next 1000x Coin, as the name is over here, or rather coinclean.com. So guys, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box below. So when you click on the link, it's going to be taking you to this page over here, and all you need to do is to as you can see over here, you can claim so many other coins, but in this video we are going to be claiming BNB. So all you need to do is to click on claim now, which is over here. And when you click on claim now, you're going to be inputting your email address, password, confirm your password, do the chapter over here, click on the terms and conditions. Then you go ahead and click on sign up. So guys, when you click on the sign up, it's going to tell you to verify your email address. Then you go to your email address and verify your email. As you can see guys, we're on our Gmail already. So all you need to do is to verify your account, your Gmail account by, as you can see here, it says confirmation link over here. So you click on confirmation link. So now our account has been back to the site. So guys, to earn on this site, all you need to do is to do offer words. As you can see over here, it says offer words. So when you click on go to loot ability, then you are going to be asked to complete some tasks. So guys, after you complete this, you get over 20,000 Satoshi of Bitcoin, and to withdraw, you can withdraw it as BNB directly to your faucet pay account, then your Trustwallet account. And so guys, if you don't know how to create a faucet pay account, I will drop you a link to the video in the description box below. So guys, when you complete this task, then you'll be given some satoshis of some coins, then you can withdraw them directly to your faucet pay. So to withdraw, all you need to do is to click on the withdraw button, which is over here. As you can see here, the coins are over here and you'll be claiming BNB. So all you need to do is to click on withdrawal. So when you click on your withdrawal, all you need to do is to bind your wallet. You bind your wallet, that is inputting your wallet type. As you can see, we'll be using faucet pay. Then all you need to do is to input your wallet address over here. So when you input your wallet address, your account will be binded immediately. So guys, when your account has been binded successfully, then you can send your earnings on this side directly to your Trustwallet, to your faucet pay account. Then when you get to the minimum which you can withdraw from your faucet pay, you send them directly to your Trustwallet. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a nice comment in the comment section below. hit on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload nice content, you're going to be the first to be notified on that. Thanks for watching.